How self-driving Tesla is replacing iPhone and becoming the most transformative tech in 21st century. For most of the 21st century, there has been one technology that defined the modern world: the iPhone. But after spending time analyzing and experiencing Tesla's self-driving technology, I'm starting to think something else may ultimately surpass it in terms of technological significance. Not in terms of impact, at least not yet, but in terms of engineering achievement and future potential. Today, I want to explain how Tesla's self-driving technology works, why it's so impressive, and how you can understand the real transformation happening behind the scenes. Because if autonomous driving succeeds at scale, it may become one of the most transformative technologies ever created. Why the iPhone was the defining technology. Let's start with the obvious benchmark. When the iPhone launched in 2007, it didn't just introduce a new phone, it essentially created the modern smartphone era. It combined a touchscreen computer, GPS navigation, camera, internet browser, and app ecosystem into a single device people carried everywhere. Today, billions of people rely on smartphones for communication, navigation, banking, transportation, and entertainment. In many ways, the iPhone reshaped daily life. But here's the key point. The smartphone revolution changed how humans interact with information. Self-driving cars aim to change how humans interact with the physical world. And that is a very different scale of transformation. Why Tesla self-driving is technologically so impressive. Driving seems simple because humans have done it for more than a century. But from an artificial intelligence perspective, driving is one of the most complicated real-world problems imaginable. A vehicle has to interpret pedestrians, cyclists, unpredictable drivers, weather conditions, construction zones, poorly marked roads, and it has to do all of this in real time at highway speeds. Tesla's approach to this problem is particularly interesting. Instead of relying heavily on radar and LiDAR sensors, Tesla uses a system based primarily on camera vision and neural networks. This means the car is essentially trying to drive the way humans do, by interpreting visual information. Tesla vehicles collect enormous amounts of real-world driving data from their global fleet. That data is then used to train machine learning models that improve how the car recognizes objects, predicts behavior, and makes driving decisions. This is why Tesla self-driving updates often improve over time. The system is constantly learning from millions of miles driven by Tesla owners. How to understand Tesla self-driving today. If you want to understand Tesla self-driving technology, there are three important things to know. First, Tesla's full self-driving system is still considered driver-supervised technology. Drivers must remain attentive and ready to take control. Second, Tesla is pursuing a vision-based AI approach, which is different from competitors like Waymo that rely heavily on LiDAR and highly detailed mapping. Third, the technology improves through software updates and data training, which means Tesla vehicles can gain new capabilities over time. This is a key reason many analysts believe Tesla's approach could eventually scale globally if the system becomes reliable enough. How autonomous driving could change the world. If self-driving technology eventually becomes fully autonomous, the implications could be enormous. Transportation could shift from personally owned vehicles to robo-taxi networks, where autonomous cars provide transportation on demand. Parking infrastructure could shrink dramatically because vehicles would spend far less time sitting idle. Traffic safety could improve significantly. Human error contributes to the majority of traffic accidents worldwide. An autonomous system that reliably reduces mistakes could save thousands of lives each year. And industries like logistics, delivery services, and long-haul trucking could be transformed by vehicles capable of operating nearly 24 hours a day. Why I believe this technology matters. From my perspective, covering the automotive industry, the reason Tesla self-driving stands out is simple. This isn't just a new gadget or convenience feature. It's an attempt to create a real-world autonomous robot operating at highway speeds in complex environments. That's an extraordinarily difficult engineering challenge. And if it works, it won't just change cars. It could reshape how cities are designed, how transportation systems operate, and how people think about vehicle ownership. So while the iPhone may still be the most impactful technology of the century so far, Tesla's self-driving technology may eventually become the most impressive. It represents the transition from machines that simply process information to machines that can perceive and navigate the real world on their own. And if autonomous driving reaches its full potential, we may look back and realize we were witnessing the early stages of a transportation revolution. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Tesla's self-driving technology will truly transform transportation? Or do you think the hype is still ahead of reality? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy deep dives into automotive technology and the future of transportation, make sure to subscribe for more analysis and real-world insights.